Welcome to Master 7-9. In this lesson, we tackle an ielts writing task 1 process diagram describing how carbonated drinks are made. We will analyze the diagram, plan our answer, and then write a full band 9 model response. Here is the question. The diagram gives information about the process of making carbonated drinks. We must summarize the main features and make comparisons where relevant. You should write at least 150 words. Let us read the diagram. It is a linear process with 5 stages. First, water cleaning. Second, heating, evaporation and carbonation, where carbon dioxide is added. Third, mixing, where coloring, syrup and flavor go in. Fourth, filtering and filling into bottles and cans. And fifth, packaging, ready for the supermarket. Before writing, interrogate the diagram. How many stages? 5. Is it linear or cyclical? Linear, with a clear start and end. Is it natural or man-made? Man-made and fully mechanized. It starts with raw water and ends with packaged drinks at the supermarket. The key transformation is when carbon dioxide is added and carbonated water is created. Answer these questions and your overview writes itself. 2 language tools carry a process answer. First, sequences to order the stages, at the first stage, subsequently, at which point, and finally. Second, the present simple passive because the doer does not matter. Water is filtered, chemicals are added, it is heated, drinks are packed. Use these and your description flows naturally from one stage to the next. Structure your answer in 4 paragraphs. An introduction that paraphrases the prompt. An overview giving the number of stages and the start and end points with no detail. A first body paragraph for stages 1 and 2. And a second body paragraph for stages 3, 4 and 5. Here is the introduction. The diagram illustrates the various stages involved in the industrial production of carbonated soft drinks, from the initial treatment of raw water through to the delivery of the finished product to retailers. Now the overview. Overall, it is clear that the process is linear and entirely man-made, consisting of 5 distinct stages that begin with the purification of water and end with the transportation of bottled and canned drinks to supermarkets. The single most important transformation occurs when carbon dioxide is added to the heated water, creating the carbonated base of the beverage. The first body paragraph. At the first stage, raw water is passed through a filter and then treated with a water softener and a number of chemicals in order to clean it. This purified water is subsequently driven by a pump towards a series of electric heaters where it is boiled and evaporated. The resulting vapor travels along a cooling pipe, at which point carbon dioxide is introduced, thereby producing the carbonated water that forms the foundation of the drink. And the second body paragraph. In the third stage, this carbonated water is transferred into a large mixing tank where coloring, syrup and flavoring are added and blended together. The finished liquid then passes through a final filter before being used to fill both bottles and cans. Finally, the filled containers are packed into boxes and loaded onto a lorry, which delivers them to supermarkets, where the drinks are ready to be sold. So why does this answer score band 9? For task achievement, it gives a clear overview and covers every stage accurately, inventing no data. For coherence and cohesion, it flows across 4 logical paragraphs with smooth sequences. For lexical resource, it uses precise process vocabulary such as purified, evaporated, introduced, and blended. And for grammatical range, it handles the passive voice and complex clauses without error. One honest note, Band 9 here reflects our own writing quality check against the public IELTS descriptors, not a certified examiner's score. That is how you turn a process diagram into a Band 9 answer: analyze, plan, and write. If this helps, subscribe to BMaster79 for more IELTS practice. See you in the next lesson.